As motivation is closely related to effort, the emotion is related to arousal, instinct, displacement, behavior, conflict. The correct answer is arousal. What is Heider, an Austrian psychologist, has given us a great deal of insight into imprinting, critical period, interpersonal relationship, college college effect. The correct answer is C. Interpersonal relationship. Austrian psychologist Friedrich Heider has given us a interpersonal relationship. A motive ethnologically means that moves, distracts, drives, stimulates. The correct answer is moves. Since motives activate the organisms, they are also known as outer dynamics, drive stimulus, inner dynamics, approach gradients. The correct answer is C. Inner dynamics. The second stage of motivational cycle is called the goal, instrumental behavior, driving state, relief. The correct answer is instrumental behavior. Prolactin, a hormone for the anterior pituitary gland, plays an important role in the motivating maternal behavior, imprinting, instinct, consummatory behavior. The correct answer is maternal behavior. Prolactin hormones play an important role in motivating maternal behavior. Generally, we infer needs and desires from covert behavior, approach gradients, drive, stimulate, overt behavior. The correct answer is D. Overt behavior. Generally, we infer needs and desires from overt behavior. Physiologists use the term homeostasis to describe the body's tendency to maintain a balance or equilibrium among its. The correct answer is internal physiological status and the environment. The correct answer is B. Internal physiological status and environment. The relative strength of the drives of hunger, thirst, and sex has been studied experimentally in the white rat by learned method, obstruction method, activity wheel, choice and preference method. The correct answer is B. Obstruction method. The technique by which the strength of need is measured in terms of readiness with which a task is learned under different conditions of motivation is known as. The correct answer is learned method. Maslow viewed that motivated behavior is need related, a vector, a valence, and approach gradients. The correct answer is A. Need related. Maslow viewed that motivated behavior is a need related. Cannon called the concept of internal equilibrium and function as is called homeostasis. The correct answer is homeostasis. The expectation or goal that one sets to achieve in future, keeping in view his past performance, is called level of aspiration. The correct answer is D. The need for achievement was first defined largely on the basis of clinical studies done by Murray. The correct answer is A. The achievement motivation theory of Macmillan is explained in terms of affection arousal model of motivation. The correct answer is A. Intrinsic motivational theory was propounded by Macmillan, Maslow, Harry Harlow, Solomon. The correct answer is Harry Harlow. The goals which the person tries to escape are called negative goals. The correct answer is D. A person's need for feeling competent and self-determining in dealing with his environment is called intrinsic motive. The correct answer is A. When the motive is directed towards goals external to the person, such as money or grade, it is called extrinsic motivation. A.